You wish you were, but you don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. did want to pop in, of course, and give you guys some information on this wig if any of you are interested. This wig is from Tinashe Hair, and they sent me a 24-inch 200% density wig. I believe this is their body wave texture. I think it's body wave, either body wave or straight, but I'm gonna say it's body wave. I'll have all of the correct information down below. But yeah, about this wig, I don't have too many complaints about this wig. The only thing that I noticed is, I think they said that they sent me a 200% density, but it's giving me like 180. It's not giving me 200% density. Okay, but yeah, y'all, I just added me some loose curls. Y'all know I've been kind of feeling the loose curls. My layering and all of that, I was kind of rushing today, so it's not giving me like that ba boom look that I wanted, but it's totally fine. Other than that, again, the wig, it's nice. I'll show y'all. Okay, so this is it. This is the natural color of the wig. It looks on the darker side, but it's not black. It's, you know, like that natural black color, that 1B. But it's darker than some of the wigs that I usually would get that's natural black, which I like, because the darker the wig, to me, the better. I love jet black hair. It always makes the hair look a lot more luxurious, in my opinion. But yeah, y'all, I have nothing else to say, so I'm gonna head out of here. I'm not gonna make this video too long. Big shout out to Tinashe Hair for sending me out this wig. I thank y'all so much. Big thank you to each and every one of you for watching another one of my videos. Y'all know I love y'all so much, and I'm gonna get out of here. Love y'all. Mwah. Bye.